What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can log out of your Pokemon TCG Pocket account. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So all the other methods that I've seen to log out of your Pokemon TCG account is by either deleting your account entirely and creating a new one, or by just deleting the app and then reinstalling it back again to log in into your account. But in this tutorial I will show you the best option how to do so without deleting the app. So before we continue, you need to make sure that all of your data is backed up. So click on these three little horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Then click on settings icon right here that says other. Then go over to your account. And here you need to have either your Nintendo account linked or your Google account linked to back up your data on the cloud. So once you see this check mark, you can be certain that your data is backed up. So just go ahead and exit the Pokemon TCG app and go over to your phone settings. Once you're in your phone settings tab, you just need to scroll until you can see the apps option right here. So just go ahead and click on that. Then click on apps again to see all the apps that you have installed on your device. Now, once all of your apps are loaded up, you need to go to the search bar and search for Pokemon TCG. Now click on the Pokemon TCG app. From here, an in-depth menu will load with some specific settings to the Pokemon TCG app. From here, you need to click on the Storage tab. And in the Storage tab, you need to click the Clear Data button right here. So this will delete all the data of Pokemon TCG that is stored on your phone. But if you have your account connected to either Nintendo or your Google account, it will be backed up on the cloud and downloaded on your device once you relog back into your account or change your account. Also, because your data is backed up on the cloud, that allows you to log in other devices and have all of your progress saved. So to continue, just click on this OK button. Now, once you click on that button, it will take a few moments to clear all the data, and then you can either switch into your primary Pokemon TCG account. So that's the best way on how you can log out of your Pokemon TCG Pocket account without deleting the app or your account entirely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.